Okay, now ready? Now, as Ms. Gloria just said, today our focus will be on vocabulary cloze. And we've got about 5 questions, MCQ questions there. And then we'll have some questions on synthesis and transformation. And question 11 will be a composition. We're just going to have a basic overlook at a composition, okay? All right, let's go. Okay, so we are going to do lesson 46 today. Vocabulary cloze. I believe you have done that before. Is that right? Have you all done? Show me a thumbs up if you all have done vocabulary cloze. Yeah? Okay. You think, can I have your lovely anything? All right. And Chachi. Am I pronouncing it correctly, Chachi? Oh, great. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, so are we ready to do some questions now, answering questions now? Yeah? Second. Okay, shall we go to the first one? Okay, let's go. All right, and please answer them in your chat button, in your chat. Okay, now the first question, I'm going to read that. As the world's largest spiders, tarantulas, are both feared and beloved. There are more than 850 species of them. The first one, oh, okay. All right. Commonly hairy. So which one is the answer? Hi, Raksha. I can see Raksha here. Can you see me and hear me, Raksha?
Yes.
Yes? I think I can hear you. Raksha, can you switch on your video? Okay. Sorry, guys, a bit of a... Okay, I can see Raksha. Able to hear? Hi, Raksha. I'm Ms. Gloria here, your actual teacher. This teacher is just taking over. Can I have a look at your face there? Because I just see the screen. So could you switch on your camera? Thank you.
It's not working.
Your camera's not working?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Maybe from the next lesson onwards, we'll get you to switch on your camera, all right? Okay, so Miss Anita is here. This is Miss Anita, and she's going to take over today's lesson. All right, I can see that some of you all have given the answers. Okay, all right, I'll take over. Thank you. Right, okay, lovely. So we go to the next one. Okay. And the answer is usually. Commonly hairy means usually. So that's a synonym, right? A close answer to commonly. Okay, the next question. Okay. Now the next one. Okay. Tarantulas live primarily in the tropical, subtropical, and desert areas of the world, with most of them found in South America. So what's the closest word for most? Is it some? Is it certain? Is it majority or minority? Here we go. Well done, guys. Well done. All right. So most is majority. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Despite their fearsome appearance, tarantulas are not dangerous to humans. Okay. So for fearsome, what would be the best word that fits fearsome? Is it fretful? Is it frightening? The synonym, yeah? Impressive or awe-inspiring? Frightening. Okay. Good job. Yeah, okay. Okay, are we ready for the next one? Thumbs up. Are we ready for the next one? Yeah? Good. So, despite their fearsome appearance, tarantulas are not dangerous to humans. Their venom is milder than that of a honeybee, according to National Geographic. And though painful, their bites are not harmful. So, what's the synonym for dangerous? Is it violent, amused, threatening, or aggressive? Let me type in the answers. Okay. And the answer is, okay, the answer is C, threatening. Okay, all right. Okay, let me just go back something. Okay. All right. Did I finish it? I finished the dangerous. The next one. Okay. In fact, tarantulas have become a widely accepted pet to some around the world. Can you imagine that? Some people have tarantulas as pets. So this word, a synonym for this word, widely accepted. Is it current? Is it popular, selected, or standard? All right, message I've got. And the answer is B, popular. Yeah. Okay. Well done, guys. Okay. Let's go to the next slide now. Okay, and that was the answer. So I guess all of you got them correct. The first answer was C, second answer was C, B, and number 4 was C, and number 5 was B. All right, next we're going to the synthesis and transformation. I believe you would have done some synthesis and transformation. Though it's a big word, synthesis just means an act of combining 2 sentences into one, and transformation means change. All right, so we use connectors to change 2 sentences, we combine them into one. So that's what it means. Okay. So for these questions need all of you to change a word or an adjective to a noun. For example, disappointment will be changed to disappointed. Will be changed into disappointment. A verb. I was very disappointed at this thing. I was very sad, disappointed. It will be. This is a verb that will be changed into disappointment. Are y'all clear so far? Is there any questions that y'all have? Or is it all good? Is it all good? Yeah. Is it Chiachi? I can't really see you, Chiachi, on the camera. All right. Okay. Okay. And let me just have a look. Oh, okay. Raksha, all good? And anything? And Yi and seeing, is it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, synthesis and transformation. Okay, what we're looking here is recognizing your question type. And we're going to cover 3 types of questions, which is going to use these connecting words, much to, his, her, or my, or due to, and out of. Okay. All right. Okay, the first one is the example. Okay, just give me a moment. Hey, friends, just give me a moment, okay? Just give me a second while I just sort this out, please. Hey, thanks for waiting. If any time you want to talk, unmute and please ask me a question, okay? All right. Okay, now I want to hear your talk this time, okay? I would like you all to answer me. All right, let's try this. And like I said, it's okay to make mistakes. We're here, all right, to learn. This is a tuition class, so where we learn to make mistakes so that when for your actual test or for your exams or in class, we don't want to make the same mistakes, okay? There we go. So let's combine. Okay, let's find this out. Example, I was annoyed that I could not complete my mathematics revision on time. Okay, so if you are going to combine this word and change the verb to noun, how would you be doing that? Who can give me the answer? And I can write that down. Can anyone try? Unmute and answer. Tanya, would you like to try or anything? I was annoyed that I could not complete.
Much to my annoyance,
Lovely.
I could not complete my mathematics revision on time.
Amazing. That's right. Much to my annoyance. You are faster than me writing it down. Okay, great. Much to my annoyance. All right. The word annoyed has been changed to annoyance. Much. Oh, all right. Sorry, 1 second. Blue. Okay. Much to my annoyance. Yeah. I could not. Yeah. Could not. Complete my mathematics revision. Yeah. Revision on time. Okay. On time. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the next one there.